What is up, everybody? How's it going? Today we're talking some Supercross preseason injuries, which, well, if you didn't know, is from the day I'm recording this, the 6th, we're 2 days from A1, which sucks for some people. But if you're here, if you find yourself here often, if you just like my voice, if you want to hear me talk more, click the subscribe button, do the little like, comment down below, tell me what you think, and we'll go from there. But the three main, there might be other ones, and they might not either be super serious, or they might just not have been reported on because they might not want people to know. The three main that you're going to get right now are Adam Cirillo, which is honestly no surprise there. As much as I like Adam Cirillo as a personality, as a rider, he's just always hurt. Just constantly. I think he's been a pro for 8 years, and I don't think there's been a season where he hasn't been injured, which is not good. But anyways, he has a grade 3 shoulder separation. Try to say that 3 times fast. So he's going to be out for, well, not out, sorry. No, wrong person. He's going to be racing in A1, but, obviously with a shoulder injury, trying to hold the bike and control it, and with how many jumps you're going to be doing in Supercross, it's probably not going to be the best thing in the world. So we're going to see how he ends up doing. I'm assuming he'll be probably, 10 through 5 or 5 through 10, somewhere around there. He'll be mid-pack, but with that, I'm assuming it's fresh too, coming out just a couple days ago. So it's probably not the best feeling thing in the world at the moment. But the other two, which don't really affect things at the moment, but do change up some schedules. You have Jett Lawrence, who was supposed to be racing the West Coast, so supposed to be doing A1, who has a cracked rib on his left side, so he won't be racing West Coast. He'll be switching to the East. His brother Hunter will be switching to the West. So you're still going to get a Lawrence in the 250 division. You're still going to get a Honda, obviously. It's just going to be changing up names and what side they race on. And, it's kind of sad to see Jett Lawrence not in A1, as much as Hunter is another good personality, another good rider. Obviously, Jett is the hype at the moment, just coming off of the Outdoors Championship, and it's kind of cool, but you would like to see him in A1, but, with a cracked rib, obviously, you're not going to ride with that. The breathing problem would just be a little bit too much. And then, on the story I posted the other day about Justin Cooper and Colt Nichols switching things, well, Justin Cooper might not be racing at all this year. Apparently, he broke his foot in every way possible. It's like 3 metatarsals and something in the middle, and he's gonna have to have surgery. And from what you can read, what you can find, you're talking like 6 months. So even from now to the start of the East Coast tour, he probably won't even be back for that, which kind of sucks for him, because apparently you only get 1 year to after you win a 250 title to defend it. So he might not even get a year to defend his title, West or East. He just, training crash, broke his foot, and he might have to go straight to the 450s, or who knows what's going to happen for that, if they, redshirt him for a year and give him a year to defend it, but who knows. It sucks. Those are 3 big names, obviously, being out of 2 big names out of A1 and 1 injured for A1, which obviously you'd want to see Cirillo racing at full speed. And obviously you'd want to see Lawrence and Cooper both racing, but hopefully you get Lawrence back for the East Coast, and hopefully you might get Cooper back for some of it. Who knows, depending on how his rehab and healing goes and all that kind of stuff. But tell me in the comments down below, do you think this is how they're going to do? Do you think Adam Cirillo is going to hold up and do well, or whatever it is? But that's it. I'll see y'all later. Peace.